Hey guys, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink and today's topic is 3 easy shredding licks. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, link is in the description box below. So let's check out the licks which we're talking about today. Yeah, those were the licks. Shredding ain't easy. Even if these are easy, but shredding ain't easy, but shredding is fun. So let's get started. Okay guys, this track is in A minor. And of course you need to have a few things to get on the guitar, otherwise you have no chance here. One thing was really simple. Oops. That's it's just a 3-note per string run in A minor. Check out the fingering. Let me select a little more moderate distortion. We can switch to high gain distortion again when we go back to playing. So we start here, 5th. We check out the fingering, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9. Here is 8, 6, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, slide in 12. So that will be the 3-note per string run. And now to make it fast, we play sextols and we just make... Sextols are 3 notes per beat, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. First make it slow. So that was something else. Sextols. It's really simple, and when you go upwards, it's not really so hard. As I said, these are easy shredding licks. You can make your life way more harder, but this stuff is really, it's not, as I said, it's not totally easy, but it's manageable. You can make it in one row, or if you want to make the run longer, you make this. And if you want to continue from here, you slide in the, 17th fret. So let's go back to the regular distortion and see how it sounds. Or double up. What you can do, it's really cool and it's not too fast, it works pretty easy. And once you're up here, try to make harmonics. When you play on the high string, see if you just attack like this, but if you switch to slight pinch harmonic, get more expression in this, and this run can be used as a connection if you play something. If you're down here, you want to go really high up, you use this to go up. And wow, already up. I'm gonna show you. You just play regular stuff, then go down and back up. See? It's not really hard, it's a really great connection from low to high. Now we're up there, we want to go back down. How do we do that? Well, there's several ways, and the really easy way is this greatly. Steve Vai makes kind of stuff like that with his high notes. So you play in the top string. I switched off the delay now. With the delay, it of course gets a cooler effect. So you start here, you attack, and as you attack, you just slide down to, like here, from 17 to 12. See? Here from 15 to 10. Here from 12 to 8. Here from 10 to 7. And from 8 to 5. And then we back down. Together with the delay, it's really good. It's great. I'm gonna show you. Or how you like, you know? And when you add those pinch harmonics I was just talking about, and then we have this typical Steve Vai effect. He is doing this a lot, and I really love that. Just work out the pinch harmonics by just switching your pick a little bit, and yeah. So I'm gonna make now a thing. Play here, make the run up, go back down with those licks. It's really cool. And back down. It's really cool. Now we want to make a wild one from medium till up, and I really love this one here. We make a little A minor arpeggio here, 9, 10, 8, 12. And when we play this downstroke, 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 upstroke, pull off, upstroke, and then we back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, sextols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to make it really wild, you can do this. You make it without attacking, but you damp with your right hand here. It's a cool visual effect, I must say. So let's do this. Or and then you finish here. If you do it without the damping thing, you go up back in the 70th, or you just stay. It's really cool effect. See, there's a lot of delay on it, but only put so much delay if you really play precise. So let's do this lick now. In combination with the other stuff. Yeah, it's really cool stuff. And to make it really wild, I mean, you can also add some wah-wah to it if you want, if you have one. Then it sounds even wilder. Yeah guys, I already said it, shredding ain't easy, but it's cool. That's maybe the quote for this. Shredding ain't easy, but it's way cool. As I said, you need to have a few things together, but from all shredding stuff, this is probably the easiest stuff you can do. These 3-note per string runs, start to work on them slowly but surely. Don't pressure yourself too much, because that always leads to tension in your hands and to injuries. Just keep it cool. Oops. Work on your pinch harmonics on the high note. Check out the A minor scale on one string. Oops. This helps you with orientation. I'm gonna write all this stuff down for you. And by the way, the backing track and the tabs for all this gonna be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there with a membership. To download it, you need a premium membership. Yo, where was I? Yeah, on this little sweeping lick. If you're not cool with this, I must say this one is easier for me. But it's a little bit tricky because you need to get back to normal playing, you know what I mean. Yeah, one more to say. I already said, please join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Also, please help the community to grow, that we get a really cool community here. And please share this channel to all your friends which play guitar, to any kind of online resources. Say, this is the coolest online resource in the web and stuff like that. It would help me and Dr. Pink a lot to help this thing growing, and this is to your benefit, you know, guys. So see you guys. I'm gonna play a little bit more for you at the end, just the way I want now. All right.